Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to determine the hardware ID for a particular device within Device Manager on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So the hardware ID is a unique identifier that's associated with every piece of hardware that's attached to your computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Device Manager if it's not already open, and you want to navigate over to whatever device you want to get the hardware ID for, and just double click on it. Select the Details tab, and now where it says Property, click on the drop down and select where it says Hardware IDs, and this will give you the hardware IDs listed in here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.